Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Infinitepay.io for crowdfunding campaigns. Infinitepay.io can help you manage donations, track contributions, and streamline your campaign finances. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Infinitepay.io account using your username and password. After that, navigate to the crowdfunding or campaign section. This is where you can set up and manage your crowdfunding campaign. Now you need to select on create new campaign or a similar option to start setting up your campaign. Enter the details of your crowdfunding campaign, including the campaign name, description, fundraising goals, and duration. Now set up your payment options by linking your campaign to your Infinitepay.io account. This will allow you to collect and manage donations. Customize your campaign page with visuals, updates, and reward tiers if applicable. This helps attract and engage potential backers. Share your campaign link with your network and potential supporters. Use social media, email, and other channels to promote your campaign. Monitor your campaign's progress through the dashboard. You can track donations, manage contributors, and view financial reports. Once your campaign ends, review the final contributions and manage the funds collected. You can transfer the funds to your designated account or use them as needed. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to use Infinitepay.io for crowdfunding campaigns. This platform helps you manage and track your campaign finances effectively, making it easier to reach your fundraising goals. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.